couple of in pharmacognosy department. I've paid and these are the people that trains pharmacists how to make medicines, from like herbs. So when I wasn't in the country, she called me and said, "Where are you?" I said, "I'm here." I said, doctors, it's very difficult to convince them that this kind of thing works. So why should you talk to me? I said, "Can I put you on Zoom?" I said, "Okay, let me just listen to what you want to present, because I don't know any other thing apart from the drugs we use." So when I listen for months. I'll be listening at the testimony as well. I said, okay, and her own testimony convinced me to register. So I registered right there. And I asked my daughter, take the products and be given to members of the family. Like my mom, let them be using it and all whatnot. So my mom was on a walking stick. My mom is 94. So now she's no longer on the walking stick, and she called me. She said she used the snow field. Is there any snow field here? Yeah. She used the snow field and said, with this snow field, because her legs are swollen, and with that she cannot walk. She used it for this. And the thing, the legs, you cannot see, she was able to walk. And then she started using the double stem as well. She said, this is fantastic. She now said, I'm going to tell my friends. These old women, they have friends. And they started calling me, who did you give your mommy? We want it.
Wow.
So this is it. And then I informed some people about it. Because personally, myself, okay, let me talk about myself. I used it. I couldn't use it there because I came back to use my own. So when I use it, I was having the blood pressure of 180, 190 because of the COVID. Couldn't come out, and so many stress. I needed to come back home and nursing the baby, sleepless night, so drugs, using drugs and everything. But when I came to Nigeria and I started this, my blood pressure is 125, 75, everything is okay. And I found